this. Snowing people, snow.
Delays are at 235 right now. Cancellations, 383 of them over at Newark Liberty. 244 cancellations, 271 delays, and over at LaGuardia there are now 152 delays and 242 cancellations. A CBS employee in Lindenhurst was stabbed to death yesterday at the store on East Montauk Highway.
Hey guys. Stop it. Oh wow. Hi Nurse B. What's her pressure at?
142 over 100.
I've got things on water, man.
You sure say you put your foot flat down on it?
Mom, listen.
I know you're the RN right there. You're the RN there.
No, Sasha, this is serious. I need to pick up the champagne.
She don't want to press up here.
No man, the 100 at the bottom is some lime water. Give her some lime juice. Eat